There is something magical about a summer morning. The light feels softer, the air feels lighter, and everything seems to move at a gentler pace. And yet, summer can also be the toughest season for your skin. Heat, humidity, sun exposure, sweat, and environmental stress can leave your complexion looking dull, uneven, or tired before the day has even begun. But what if your morning routine could change that? What if the way you start your day could set the tone not just for glowing skin, but for confidence, clarity, and calm that lasts all day long? Today, we're stepping into the perfect summer morning routine for glowing skin. This is not about complicated trends or overwhelming steps. It is about intention. It is about understanding your skin, respecting the season, and building a ritual that supports both your outer glow and your inner balance. Imagine this. You wake up just as the sunlight begins to fill the room. Instead of grabbing your phone, you take a slow breath. Summer mornings offer a unique kind of quiet. Before the heat rises and the day accelerates, there is a window of peace. That is where your glow begins. The first step happens before you even touch your skincare products. Hydration starts from within. After hours of sleep, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. A glass of room temperature water, perhaps with a splash of lemon if you enjoy it, gently reactivates your system. This simple habit supports circulation, digestion, and overall skin vitality. Glowing skin is rarely just about what you apply on the surface. It's about how well your body is supported from the inside. Then comes cleansing. Summer calls for a different approach than colder seasons. During the night, your skin continues to produce oil. Add warmer temperatures, and you may wake up with a bit more shine than usual. A gentle, lightweight cleanser is ideal. You want something that removes excess oil and sweat without stripping away your natural barrier. As you massage the cleanser into your skin, do it slowly. Use upward motions. Give yourself time. This is not just about washing your face, it's about waking up your complexion. The gentle massage stimulates blood flow, bringing a natural flush to your cheeks. Rinse with lukewarm water, never too hot. Heat can aggravate the skin and weaken its protective layer. When you pat your face dry with a clean towel, avoid rubbing. Summer skin can be more reactive due to sun exposure, so treat it kindly. Now, here's where many people rush, but this is where the glow truly begins. Toning. A hydrating toner or essence helps rebalance your skin after cleansing. In summer, lightweight, water-based formulas feel refreshing and breathable. Press the product into your skin with your palms rather than using a cotton pad. Feel the texture absorbed. Notice how your skin responds. This moment of attention helps you understand your skin's needs day by day. Some mornings, your skin may feel slightly oily. Other mornings, it may feel tight from air conditioning or sun exposure the day before. A mindful routine allows you to adjust accordingly. Glowing skin is not rigid, it's responsive. Next comes serum. Think of your serum as targeted support. In summer, ingredients that brighten, hydrate, and support your skin barrier are especially beneficial. Vitamin-rich serums can help improve the look of uneven tone. Hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid attract moisture and keep your skin plump throughout the day. Apply a few drops and gently press it into your face and neck. Don't forget your neck. Summer clothing often reveals this area, and it deserves the same care. As the serum sinks in, take a breath. Let it settle. Skincare is most effective when it's layered thoughtfully, not rushed. Now let's pause for a moment. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to glow even without makeup? It's rarely about perfection, it's about consistency. Small, daily actions create visible change over time. The real secret to summer radiance isn't a single miracle product, it's the ritual. After serum, it's time for moisturizer. Even in hot weather, moisturizer is essential. Skipping it can actually lead to more oil production as your skin tries to compensate for lost hydration. The key is choosing a lightweight, breathable formula that locks in moisture without feeling heavy. Apply it evenly using gentle upward strokes. Pay attention to areas that tend to get dry, such as around the nose or along the jawline. A balanced layer of hydration helps your skin maintain elasticity and smoothness, especially under the sun. And now we arrive at the most important step of any summer morning routine: sunscreen. If there is one habit that defines glowing skin long-term, this is it. Sun exposure is one of the primary contributors to premature aging, dark spots, and uneven texture. A broad-spectrum sunscreen protects against both types of ultraviolet rays that can affect your skin. Apply generously to your face, ears, neck, and any exposed areas. Don't forget the tops of your hands if they'll be in the sun. Choose a formula that feels comfortable so you'll actually want to wear it every day. There are many lightweight, invisible options available now that sit beautifully under makeup or on bare skin. Let the sunscreen absorb fully before applying anything else. This final protective layer seals your entire routine. But we're not done yet. The perfect summer morning routine for glowing skin extends beyond skincare products. Let's talk about movement. Gentle morning movement boosts circulation and gives your skin a natural radiance that no highlighter can replicate. Whether it's a short stretch by the window, a quiet walk outside, or a few moments of yoga, movement oxygenates your body and supports lymphatic flow. This helps reduce puffiness and encourages a clearer complexion. Fresh air also matters. If possible, open a window while you get ready. Let sunlight and airflow touch your skin. Of course, be mindful of peak sun intensity, but early morning light can feel invigorating and uplifting. Now here's something many people overlook: your breakfast. What you eat in the morning influences how your skin behaves throughout the day. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and water content support a luminous complexion. Fresh fruits, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and balanced proteins can all contribute to stable energy and skin clarity. Summer often inspires lighter meals, which can be beneficial if they're still nourishing. Think colorful, fresh, and hydrating. Your skin reflects what you consistently give your body. Let's shift into a deeper layer of this routine: stress management. Summer schedules can become surprisingly busy with travel, social events, and outdoor activities. Starting your morning with even a few minutes of stillness can change how your skin responds to daily stress. Elevated stress levels can sometimes trigger breakouts or dullness. A calm nervous system supports balanced skin. Close your eyes, take slow breaths. Set an intention for the day. It doesn't have to be elaborate. Something as simple as, "Today I choose to move gently," can influence your posture, your tone, and your glow. Now, here comes the secondary hook. What if glowing skin is less about adding more and more products and more about removing what doesn't serve you? Over-exfoliating in summer, layering too many heavy products, constantly switching routines because of trends, these habits can disrupt your skin barrier and create the very problems you're trying to solve. Sometimes the best morning routine is the one that feels simple, sustainable, and supportive. Pay attention to how your skin reacts over time. According to dermatology experts, maintaining a healthy skin barrier is one of the most important foundations for long-term radiance. That means avoiding harsh scrubs, limiting excessive actives, and prioritizing hydration and protection. If you wear makeup, summer mornings call for a lighter touch. A tinted moisturizer with sun protection, a touch of cream blush, a bit of brow grooming, and a hydrating lip balm can enhance your natural glow without masking it. Let your skin breathe. The goal is fresh, luminous, and comfortable. Throughout the day, remember that glowing skin is maintained, not just created in the morning. Carry a hat or seek shade when the sun is strongest. Reapply sunscreen as needed, especially if you're outdoors. Keep water nearby. Small, consistent habits protect the effort you put in earlier. As the morning transitions into afternoon, you may notice how different you feel compared to rushed, reactive mornings. When you start with intention, your energy shifts. Your skin often reflects that shift. Now, imagine this routine not as a chore, but as a ritual you look forward to. You wake up knowing you've carved out a pocket of time for yourself. No chaos, no rushing, just care. Over time, this consistency builds confidence. When your skin feels balanced and healthy, you show up differently in conversations, at work, in photos, in everyday moments. And here's the final emotional hook. One day, you may look back at photos from this summer and notice something beyond clear skin. You may see ease in your expression, light in your eyes, calm in your posture. That glow won't just be from sunscreen or serum, it'll be from the way you chose to treat yourself each morning. Glowing skin is not about chasing perfection. It's about supporting your skin through the season it's in. Summer invites lightness. Let your routine reflect that. Keep it breathable, keep it nourishing, keep it intentional. As you move forward, consider refining your own perfect summer morning routine. Notice what makes your skin feel alive and balanced. Adjust as needed. Trust the process. True radiance is built day by day. If this guide helped you rethink your mornings and inspired you to create your own ritual for glowing skin, I would love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite summer skincare habit in the comments. Your experience might inspire someone else. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the best morning routine for summer glow, take a moment to like the video so more people can discover it. And if you want more thoughtful skincare guidance, seasonal routines, and practical beauty insights, subscribe to the channel and join this growing community.